Here's how to restore your AirPods to their factory settings. This removes all information about you and allows it to be sold, given to someone else, or returned. Make sure the AirPods are in the case and the case is closed for at least 30 seconds. Open the lid. Now press and hold the setup button that's on the back for 15 seconds. The status light will flash amber, then white. Now close the lid on the case. You're all set. Now anyone that you give them to can use them and link them to their account, or your data is removed for when you return them to the store. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.